Click on Add Classes Wizard on the left. You can choose the trainer and the venue at this point in time. You can even change the start and end time accordingly. Let's say we run classes between Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, where Wednesday and Thursday is a full day. So we go 9 to 5 Wednesday and Thursday, and starting from the 1st until the 31st of the 12th. All right, go next. So this will automatically create, the classes for me. Now, as you can see, there's only a couple trainers and venues that we have in the demo system. So it's telling me that, these are the days when there are clashes for these trainer and venue. So obviously, that trainer and venue cannot be used for those classes there. I'm going to go ahead and create those clashes because it's the demo system, but in your case, you will have to resolve the clashes before you can add the classes into the system. It's always a good practice to do that. So the system automatically creates all those Wednesday and Thursday classes for me between 9 and 5. I can go all the way down. I can untick the dates that are public holidays where you don't run your classes. Now, we don't have public holidays included in here. The reason being, the public holidays are different for different states. So we are kind of nationally recognized, so we couldn't create public holidays for each state in here. So you'll have to manually untick the classes that you have your public holidays on and go continue. So this will automatically create your classes. Now on these dates, it's asking if you have any examination or any orientation that you want to just change the description for. So you can change the description and put in orientation. I wouldn't recommend changing the class code. I'll show you why in some time when we actually go into the search, but you can definitely change the description if required. Go all the way down, create classes. Now, as you can see, there is a checkbox in here that says enroll all other learners in this timetable into these new classes. Now, when it's a rolling intake, you may not have prepared for the entire year, but you may be wanting to add classes between Jan and June, and then come back and add it from July to December. In such a situation, the students are already enrolled between Jan and June. So when you're creating new classes, when you put the stick on, it automatically enrolls the students from Jan to June into the classes between July and December, just to make it easier for you to enroll the learners. In this case, it's not applicable because I'm adding new classes into a timetable and there are no learners in the timetable yet. So we go create classes. So they'll add the classes for me into that timetable. Now, once I've added the Wednesday and Thursday class, I'm going to go back into the Add Classes wizard, remove the break time, choose the trainer, change the end time to 1 o'clock, so it's a half-a-day class on the Friday. I'll leave the dates to be the same, go next, and create all those Friday classes, and go continue, and create the classes. So now you have your Wednesday, Thursday, and the Friday half-a-day class in the same timetable.